Sustainability reporting for industries and corporates. Professional Sustainability Reporting Services presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Welcome everyone. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, sustainability has become a strategic priority for organizations across the globe. Customers, investors, regulators, financial institutions, employees, and supply chain partners increasingly expect businesses to operate responsibly and transparently. Sustainability reporting has emerged as one of the most effective ways for organizations to demonstrate their commitment to environmental stewardship, social responsibility, and strong corporate governance. A professionally prepared sustainability report not only fulfills stakeholder expectations but also creates long term business value by improving transparency, strengthening investor confidence, and enhancing corporate reputation. Welcome to this informative session by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's video, we will discuss what is sustainability reporting, why sustainability reporting is important, benefits for industries and corporates, key reporting frameworks, ESG integration, sustainability reporting process, business benefits, why choose URGS International. Let us begin. What is sustainability reporting? Sustainability reporting is the process of communicating an organization's environmental, social, and governance performance to stakeholders. It provides transparency regarding environmental performance, energy consumption, greenhouse gas emissions, water management, waste management, employee welfare, occupational health and safety, human rights, corporate governance, ethical business practices, community engagement, business resilience. Rather than focusing only on financial performance, sustainability reporting demonstrates how an organization creates long-term value while managing environmental and social impacts. Why sustainability reporting matters? Today's stakeholders expect organizations to go beyond financial success. They want to understand how responsibly a company operates, how environmental impacts are managed, how employees are treated, how governance system function, how climate risks are addressed, how sustainability objectives are achieved. Organizations that report transparently often experience higher stakeholder trust, better customer confidence, improved investor interest, enhanced brand reputation, stronger regulatory preparedness, improved supply chain relationships, greater business resilience. Now, key components of sustainability reporting. A comprehensive sustainability report typically covers three major pillars: environmental, energy management, carbon emissions, water stewardship, waste reduction, pollution prevention, resource efficiency, climate change initiatives, renewable energy, biodiversity, environmental compliance. Social, employee health and safety, training and development, human rights, labor practices, diversity and inclusion, community engagement, employee well-being. Corporate social responsibility, responsibility, governance, business ethics, corporate governance, risk management, compliance, anti-corruption, board oversight, internal controls, transparency, responsible procurement. Together, these pillars demonstrate an organization's commitment to sustainable business practices. Global sustainability reporting frameworks. Organizations prepare sustainability reports using internationally recognized frameworks such as Global Reporting Initiative, Business Responsibility and Sustainability Reporting, Task Force on Climate Related Financial Disclosures, International Sustainability Standards Board, United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, ISO 14064 Greenhouse Gas Reporting, ISO 14067 Product Carbon Footprint. Selecting the appropriate reporting framework depends on regulatory requirements, stakeholder expectations, and organizational objectives. Benefits of sustainability reporting. A professionally prepared sustainability report provides numerous business advantages. These include improved ESG performance, enhanced investor confidence, greater customer trust, better access to financing, improved corporate reputation, increased operational efficiency, enhanced risk management, improved supply chain competitiveness, support for regulatory compliance, alignment with global customer expectations, competitive advantage, long term business sustainability. Organizations that report transparently are often viewed as more resilient, responsible, and future ready. Sustainability reporting process. An effective sustainability reporting process typically includes understanding business objectives, stakeholder identification, materiality assessment, data collection, performance measurement, GHG emissions assessment, carbon footprint calculation, ESG data validation, gap analysis, target setting, report preparation, management review, continuous improvement. Each stage ensures that the report is accurate, transparent, and aligned with recognized sustainability frameworks. Sustainability reporting and ESG. Sustainability reporting plays a central role in an organization's ESG journey. It helps organizations measure ESG performance, track sustainability goals, monitor carbon emissions, support climate action, improve governance practices, enhance stakeholder communication, strengthen business resilience, support net zero initiatives, meet investor expectations, improve long term decision making. By integrating ESG principles into everyday operations, organizations can create lasting value while reducing environmental and social risks. Why choose URGS International? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides comprehensive sustainability reporting advisory service tailored to industries and corporate organizations. Our expertise includes sustainability strategy development, ESG materiality assessment, GRI reporting support, BRSR reporting, GHG inventory development, carbon footprint assessment, ESG data collection and validation, climate risk assessment, net zero roadmap development, stakeholder engagement, sustainability KPIs, reporting framework selection, executive awareness programs. Our experienced professionals deliver practical, industry-focused solutions that help organizations strengthen sustainability performance, improve transparency, and meet evolving stakeholder expectations. At last, summary closing. Sustainability reporting is no longer just about compliance. It is about building trust, improving business performance, attracting investment, and creating long-term value. Organizations that embrace sustainability today are better prepared to manage future risks, meet global market expectations, and achieve sustainable growth. If your organization is planning to prepare its first sustainability report, strengthen ESG reporting, comply with BRSR requirements, or align with international sustainability frameworks, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support your journey. Contact us, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please message first on our WhatsApp for your query. Our team can help your organization with sustainability reporting, ESG advisory, GRI reporting, BRSR compliance, carbon accounting, ISO 14064, ISO 14067, climate risk assessments, and net zero roadmaps. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more professional content on sustainability, ESG, corporate governance, carbon management, ISO standards, environmental compliance, and business excellence. Thank you for watching. Build trust, demonstrate transparency, drive sustainable growth with URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Thank you.